All right.
Breadsticks.
Okay. Hey guys, we're back and we're eating another cheap meal. We went with Pizza Hut. I know, Pizza Hut on vacation, right? This is all about us and what we do. This is how we do it. So we have a barbecue chicken pizza, a chicken Hawaiian pizza. The barbecue chicken, I believe it's bacon, barbecue, and chicken. And then our Hawaiian chicken is pineapple, ham, chicken, and looks like green peppers. And then we have 2 orders of the good old-fashioned cheesy bread. So, without further ado, we're gonna get into it because we are starving. And this is just another cheat meal on our cheat day in Florida on our vacation. So we're gonna enjoy. So we're just wrapping up another cheat meal today. Was absolutely outstanding. The barbecue chicken pizza was fantastic. The Hawaiian chicken pizza was absolutely fantastic. I recommend both of them to everybody and anybody. They're both specialty pizzas on the menu. They are fantastic. The breadsticks, of course, you know, Pizza Hut, they're well known for the breadsticks. They lived up to the name. They were great. So we're wrapping this up. It's another cheat meal down, and we're going to get ourselves cleaned up here and situated, relax for a little bit, and we'll see you back in just a little bit. And yeah, it was good. Mm-hmm. Yeah, really good. So we'll see you soon.